Reed switches can be welded closed by electrical surge. A reed switch is attached to the right set of brass terminals, and a Magnasphere switch is attached to the left set of brass terminals. The LEDs show that the switches function normally as the magnet is moved to and from the switch. I'm going to remove the LEDs from the circuit to protect them against the electrical surge. I'm going to apply a spark from a 950,000 volt stun gun to the terminals. The reed switch is now welded permanently closed from the surge, and it no longer operates as intended when the magnet is removed. I'll do the same thing to the Magnasphere switch. The Magnasphere continues to work properly after the electrical surge.